Hey guys, this is Bear126 again, and again, I already apologize why I'm making videos like this. I just want to put out 3 songs. This one's called Brother, and yeah, that's about it. And if you guys want to see what happened, go look at my other recent videos, and then it'll tell you what's going on. So I'm just gonna do this real quick, and play the beat, please. Oh brother, brother of mine, don't you understand what's going on? Can't you even say that I've been for you and I've listened? Yeah, little brother, do you understand me? Are you trying to follow me in my little footsteps? Are you trying to bid up to your brother's been to? Are you trying to rap like me? Are you trying to fight like me? But you don't understand what you are to me. You are everything to me, and I will protect you even though I don't show it. I know I'm going crazy and I'm saying so many stuff to you, trying to understand you, but you never understood me cause I was crazy and I acted like that around you every single day. And you asked me, brother, what's wrong? Why you crying? Why you leaning? Why you yelling? Why you screaming? Why you going there? Why you over here? Why you going to places you don't even care? Are you brother? Are you listening to me? Are you even crying, brother? Can you even say what's wrong with me or what's wrong with you, man? Man, I'm listening, I try to not listen, but my little brother looks up to me, and it's hard to set an example for him to understand. I mean, he gets straight A's, all I get is the grades that fail, but I'm trying real hard to set an example for him so he can lead up in my footsteps. But I hope he doesn't make the same mistakes I did. I just hope he follows in my good path. My bad path is not for him. I'm cutting that off limits so he can't even touch it, even hear about it. But now that the track has skipped, it's kinda cutting me away, and it's hard to even say what's going on with his brain, what's wrong. Brother, oh brother of mine, trying to understand me, trying to go down the path that I went. Is he good? Is he bad? I don't even know. He's a brother of me, he's a brother of the Landines, but you gotta move on to understand the big brother or the little brother. No one understood what's going on. Who even cares anymore? They asked if the Landines are strong. Does he have someone to live up to? Is he gonna go into the dream school he's dreamed of? Or is he gonna go to somewhere else? Is he gonna live his life like everybody else? Or is he gonna stay with his mom and dad, trying to understand what's going on in his brain, in his dead? Now he's gotta understand that his big brother's going through some trouble, and there's nothing he can do but sit and stare and yell and scream and cry, trying to understand him. But he doesn't understand why his big brother is tripping out in his mind. But he's trying to say that it's gonna be alright. He knows that everything is just fine. His big brother ain't treating like it's nothing. He's gonna go cry, but he doesn't understand why his brother is going insane in his own little mind. Oh, brother of mine, don't you understand me? Don't you wanna climb me? Do you wanna follow me or do you wanna chase me? You can't chase me, I'm cutting you off just so you can go in your own path. You can't do everything that I did. If you did, then you get disrespected and you get a reputation that you don't wanna keep. Don't do the crazy things that I have ever did. Don't you follow in my footsteps on my bad path, stay on your good path. Don't get in trouble, and I promise you, brother, everything will be fine if you go to your time and you take your time in school and you get good grades. And if you understand me and you get me, then why you asking me so many questions? Yeah, we joke around, I have all the answers and you have all the questions, but when we come together, we make a pretty cool song, bro. Don't you understand? You can't follow me, and little brother, don't you understand me? And little brother, if you're listening to this, I hope you say, bro, what's with this song?